Welcome. This meditation and practice is best done standing in front of a mirror that shows the full reflection of your body. You can be in your underwear or naked or fully dressed. It's up to you. I will guide you when it is time to repeat some self-love words out loud to yourself. You may giggle with embarrassment or even disbelieve what you're saying. You may experience emotion arising. You may want to give up. But I ask that you stay with it and express the tears or feel the emotion. This practice is a healing one. It allows you to be present, feel and acknowledge what, if anything, is arising whilst building your self-acceptance, self-worth, and increasing your confidence to build what I call the self-love muscle. It is possible to love how you look no matter what shape, size or colour you are, and to feel great in your skin regardless of what anybody else says to you or what society deems to be normal. Deepening self-love creates more happiness too. So start today to build yourself up and put an end to self-criticism. The meditation part of this practice is the breathing and the presence. So taking a few breaths now, in and out, and breathing down into your belly if you can, whilst you relax and look softly at yourself in the mirror. Breathing and scanning your body without any commentary going on in your mind, just looking with presence. Breathing and taking in the shape of your body. Breathing and taking in the colour of your skin. Move your body gently and marvel at how it follows the cues from your brain. Keep breathing. Stay present. Relax. And bring a smile to your lips as you realize how miraculous your body is, and that this meditation and practice does not have to be a serious one. Looking over your body and then into your eyes, making sure you continue to breathe rhythmically. Repeat after me, following statements with some feeling, tender, loving, light-heartedness, and even joyful if you like. Here goes. I love my body exactly as it is. I love my unique shape exactly as it is. I love the curves of my body. I love my skin exactly as it is. I love how my body moves. I am appreciating my unique self. Keep breathing. Stay present. Follow me with these affirmations. I love you. I love you exactly as you are. I love you. I am beautiful inside and out. If you're a bloke, you might like to say, I am handsome and interesting inside and out. I love you. You may like to become demonstrative and playful, like pointing your finger at your reflection in the mirror or twirling around in fun. Then returning to looking in the mirror whilst you tell yourself these following you statements. You are beautiful and handsome to me. You are one of a kind. You are loved in your entirety. You are loved for no reason other than you're you. Take another conscious breath in and out. And just notice how you're feeling. That brings this self-love practice to a close. But I do encourage you, every time you look in the mirror today, take a conscious breath. Then wink, smile, and tell yourself, I love you. I love my body. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. I hope it's been of benefit, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel if it has. There are many more meditations for you to choose from. I wish you a fabulous day or evening. Take very, very, very good care of you, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.